Welcome to my channel, where I explore natural remedies for a healthy lifestyle. Today, we're going to discuss 5 artery-cleansing teas that offer incredible benefits to the body. But before we dive in, I want to remind you that the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only, and should not replace medical advice. If you have any concerns about your cardiovascular health, please consult with a healthcare professional. Our first tea is green tea, a powerhouse beverage known for its high antioxidant content. Green tea has been extensively studied for its potential benefits to cardiovascular health. Research suggests that the antioxidants in green tea, such as catechins, can help reduce cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and improve blood vessel function. Next up, we have hibiscus tea. This vibrant and tangy tea has gained attention for its potential in promoting heart health. Several studies have shown that hibiscus tea may help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol levels, and improve overall cholesterol profiles. Its rich antioxidant content and ability to support healthy blood vessel function make it a great choice for maintaining cardiovascular wellness. Moving on to our third tea, we have ginger tea. Besides adding a delightful kick to your taste buds, ginger tea offers numerous benefits for your heart. Ginger contains compounds that possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may contribute to improved blood circulation, reduced blood pressure, and decreased cholesterol levels. Including ginger tea in your daily routine can be a flavorful way to support your cardiovascular health. Now let's talk about chamomile tea. While primarily known for its calming effects, chamomile tea has some surprising benefits for your heart health. Research suggests that chamomile tea may help reduce blood pressure levels, support healthy blood vessel function, and reduce cholesterol. So, sip on a cup of soothing chamomile tea to unwind while giving your heart some love. Last but not least, we have Oolong Tea. This partially oxidized tea offers a unique flavor profile and potential benefits for cardiovascular health. Studies have found that Oolong Tea may help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and promote healthy blood sugar levels. With its rich taste and potential health advantages, Oolong Tea can be a wonderful addition to your heart-healthy beverage choices. Remember, while these teas offer potential benefits for cardiovascular health, it's essential to consider individual circumstances and consult with a healthcare professional. Certain individuals, such as those on specific medications or with pre-existing conditions, may need to exercise caution or avoid certain teas. Moderation is also key, as excessive consumption of any tea can have unintended effects. As always, prioritize your health and well-being. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tips on natural remedies and healthy living. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.